Hello everyone, it's us again. We are cooking for our colleague's birthday. We are cooking lumpiang toge again, and our shit cook for today. And on another side, we have arroz caldong hindi pa luto. And of course, our shit cook again and again. Our two shit cook. We are cooking arroz caldo because very cold day today. There. Wow. Smells good. And on the other side, we have boiled egg and the garnish and the bawang. And we have here also chicken adobo. It's Hannah's birthday. And sabaw. I don't know what's that. And another set of chicken. Parang sanik.
Biryani.
For biryani. Another biryani for today's video. And the owner of this phone and for this vlog, Miss Kawaii. Kawaii, the Dora the Explorer of Japan. The food kudera ng Japan from Bohol, Philippines.
Bohol. Representing.
Again?
From Bohol. Na naghagtar siya.
Nga mahal ang seafoods.
Ito ka, makapalit. $1 ka seafoods.
Pabugnawan sana.
Na, ang tigputos ikaw.
Saan po to sana?
Putos. Ang balaang tigputos. Uy, unya na magputos. Unya na kita.
Ang balaang tingputos. Me and myself.
Aron makatulog po na.
Lapit na ni.
Dali ram ng kwan.
It's Saturday and it's a very busy day.
Very busy day.
They are busy pala. I'm not busy. So I am the videographer. I'll take you a tour in our kitchen. This is our kitchen. Wow. A very, very wide kitchen. And we have a karaoke room. Blurred lagi to. There. This is our karaoke room without the karaoke, but we have the speaker. And let's go outside. And we have our microwave, rice cooker, and oven toaster. And here is our dining. There we have long table and for introvert area. And we also have our living room. There, a very, very big living room with a big TV. And the bar area. And the entrance. The lobby, and the elevator, bathroom area. Let's go back to the kitchen. And this is the, by the way, this is the view from the entrance there. Then let's go back to our kitchen. This is our kitchen again. Okay. And let's greet happy birthday to the birthday girl, Miss Hanelet Valeza. Happy birthday, girl.
Nag-start ka na? Makakain natin na.
Hanggang.
Ano yun?
Asin.
Ano? Hindi, yung vlog ba sa kanya to?
Yung pula mo,
Hindi, ito sili.
180. Pero sige,
Pwede pa hingin ng dalawa para sa ano?
sige lang.
Sa biryani.
Nakapiyas pa ako na natin.
Diba? They are very busy while I am very busy vlogging, taking video, recording. And Rosemary is going to cook biryani again, the same last week. This is our chef cook,
Where is
the birthday girl.
asin?
Ito sa cabinet ko. And another chef cook. Okay lang nga. Ano na lang na, save na lang ng iba. And now I'm going to end this vlog. Say goodbye, your bye spiel.
Bye-bye guys. Wow, nako.
Goodbye.